Yo, welcome to HumbleFx. So let us let us quickly jump into this trade first before we proceed. Let us quickly jump into the trade. So I'm taking three positions on this particular trade, this particular setup. I've taken three positions so far. So why did I take this trade? Now this is actually why I take the trade. The crossover here and this crossover here. So that is the main entry, the main reason for this particular entry. All right. So guys, this is HumbleFx. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment on the comment section. All right. So now let us dive into the video as a whole. So watch the video to the end so that you get every information that you need to get in this video. Okay, so now this is a mobile setup. You can use it on your PC, you can use it on your phone, like you see on my phone right now. All right, so it's very simple to use, very simple setup, simple indicator that you can use to catch your trades on the boom and crash. This works on all this setup works on all the boom and crash indices. All right, and it's just very simple to use. Okay, now how does this work? Before we proceed, now let me just show you a little bit of how this indicator work and how you can actually maximize profit with it. Okay, now we are still in progress, right? So first thing first is that you need to see a cross on the indicators in the main charts, and then you need to see a cross from market going from this price cross over to the 80 level, and it's going downside. So that way you know that your entry is actually confirmed. Okay, simple as that. Now let us check for previous. This is a current trade, current signal. So it's not about is so for those that used to say that it work well in backtesting and not in real time. So this is a real time. This is a real time market structure. All right, and this is a real time signal. Okay, so now let us backtest and see the previous formations like this. Okay, I'm actually on 30 minutes time frame right now, so you could see you could review how crazy, how strong this strategy can this current signal is. Okay, now let us back check back check back the previous time. All right, I think so. Now look at here. This is a previous time. The market has already crossed over right here, and then we see market crossing back down to this point. So you see how crazy that drop happened. You see the drop that happened here. It was massive, guys. All right, imagine you were able to enter this market when this cross happened, and you catch this movement down. This is crazy. And remember, we are on 30 minutes time frame, and each candle here represents 30 minutes time frame. You could have made a lot of profits, Okay, now let me show you. Now for those that ask if this particular strategy does not use for scalping, it's not for scalping. Now it is for scalping too. You can also use it for scalping. So we will check back. I will show you guys how to scalp with this particular strategy, so that you can maximize profit, because in a high time frame, this setup does not come every single time, but in a lower time frame you can get it multiple time in a day, and then you can scalp all through. So for those that scalp, now let us check on how to scalp with it. All right, now I'm using 30 minutes time frame for a longer trade. All right, now for scalping you can go down to M5. All right, for M5 you see that this trade is not valid. In M5 you see that we are not valid yet. It's not valid yet. All right, but you see in the M5 we could have made profits from here. This cross here, this cross here. So that we could have made a lot of profits from here. That drop down, we could have made profits, crazy profit from there. All right, and this thing happens every single day. On this M5 you can get a trade every single day. Now see another entry right here. See another short. This is actually a short trade that you see that is cross happened there, but this one did not cross early, so here it is where it's crossed. Okay, that is a short trade. Okay, well, I like to actually scalp crazily on M1 one time frame. Right, this one is super short trades. right? If you take entry with this particular trade, you know that, you see, this is why sometimes to scalp with M1 is very crazily risky, because look at this. There is an entry come up here. Maybe you enter a market somewhere here, and then market spike all this way, pia pia, and you are in loss. So that's why normally you could stick to M5 for scalping. If you are a scalper, you don't want to take long trade, you can take M5 and be doing your things right there. So you can actually check this on every other pair. It can actually work on every other indices, right? It works on every other pairs, right? Yeah, simple as that. uh, so remember, this strategy works, is not available, is not 100% accurate, right? It's not 100% accurate. You can also lose money in it. Right now, look, this is entry here. This is the entry confirmation, and then you take a trade somewhere here. And you see that we had a pullback before the market comes all the way down. Now, if we are holding, since the market is still below these two lines, if you check this market is still below these two lines here, you can still hold. But when the market has actually gone above these two lines, and it's still going against you, you are expected to close the market. That is if you are holding the trade. All right. But if you are smart enough, you should know that you would have closed before all of these things happen. You could have closed your trade within the region of these spikes right here. So you don't need to wait for the market to do all these things it's doing right now before you close your trade. All right. So this indicator is actually a very nice indicator for scalpers. If you are a scalper, this is a nice indicator you can use to make yourself some good profit. All right, some good profit. Okay, now how do you get this indicator? This indicator is one of my premium indicator so far, and is a new one. I just launched this particular indicator, and I've been using this for some times right now. So if you want to get this particular indicator, I'm going to give it out to just 3 persons for now, for $10 only. So I don't want to make the price very high. I want those that are interested to be able to afford it at as fast as possible. So message me on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and you get the settings of this particular indicator. All right. So this, if you want to guess, if you feel like you can guess what is happening right about here in the chart, that you want to guess it out, you can go ahead and guess it out, and whatever thing you get is your own choice. All right. But if you want to get the actual indicator right here, as I say, the total indicator and how it works, and more in depth on how to use it effectively, all right, yeah, send me a message on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and you get a tutorial on how to set it up and how to use it effectively. All right, you can see we took this trade here because I want to prove you guys that it's actually working very well. So, and I have to make this video so that you guys should know, should see it happening very, very, very actively on a real time market. All right. I don't want to waste much of your time in this video, so I'm going to stop this video right now. So if you want to get the settings of this particular indicator, send me a message on Telegram and on WhatsApp, so you can have access to this particular indicator. The links are on this video description. The link is on this video description. As simple as that. All right, we're still in progress. Enjoy.